So how to start a coffee brand. I'm going to give you the 10 most important steps if you're looking to launch a coffee business. Those steps are going to be the ones that will get you up and running with a good foundation to understand what it is that you need to do from get-go. So welcome to Marketing Food Online. This is YouTube's premier food entrepreneur channel dedicated solely to you, the food entrepreneur. We have over 1,000 videos and nearly 150,000 food entrepreneurs subscribed just like you. So be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to check out all our uploads that we have throughout the week. So let's dive right into it. I'm going to go from number 1 to number 10. They are not in any specific order because, to be honest with you, all 10 of them are equally important, but they're easy to understand. I'm going to break them down so it's super simple for you to know. Now, being in the food industry for nearly 30 years plus, I've been my own food entrepreneur for almost 20 years, having my own business with my wife, Sylvia. You definitely want to know that it takes work and effort. This is not a get-rich idea or something that will happen overnight. But if you're looking to create a business like this, you can definitely do it. And these are the 10 things you need to know. So number 1, research and planning. Now, market research. You want to delve deep into the coffee industry to identify trends and consumer preferences. This is really important, guys. You want to understand your potential customer base, their buying habits, and what sets your product apart from competitors. Next up in that category is actually defining your niche. Believe it or not, you want to determine what type of coffee business that you want to operate. Are you focusing on specialty coffee, potentially even organic beans, or even unique blends of those beans? You want to clarify your niche to cater to a specific target market. Lastly, in this section, you want to write a business plan. It is very critical. This is actually something, unfortunately, I did not do when I first launched my Italian bakery nearly 13 years ago. It's very helpful to do this, not only to try to get down the road investment or even a bank loan of some kind, but to know where you're going to go. So you want to create a detailed business plan that kind of outlines your long-term vision, short-term goals, budget estimates, and of course, strategies for achieving profitability. A well-thought-out plan will guide your actions to help secure funding if it's necessary. All right, number 2, legal considerations. Now, business registration. Now, you want to make sure you register your coffee business with the appropriate authorities. You want to choose the legal structure if that is a sole proprietorship, an LLC, or corporation that suits your needs and offers liability protection. Next up in this section is going to be permits and licenses. So you want to investigate local zoning regulations and obtain any permits or licenses required for operating a home-based coffee business. Now, make sure that you comply with legal requirements. It's very essential to avoid any potential issues because those things would get fines that you definitely don't want to deal with. Number 3, financial planning. All right, startup cost. This is important. Pay attention to what it is it's going to cost to get this up and running. You want to calculate all your initial expenses, including coffee equipment, packaging materials, coffee beans, of course, marketing, and any other overhead costs that you foresee your business model having. You want to have a clear understanding of your startup budget. It's crucial for financial stability when you first launch. Next up in this category is funding. So you want to determine how you will fund your business. This could involve actually getting like personal loans. I know you may be on the fence about that, but personal loans or even loans from financial institutions or even seeking investors. Personal loans, by the way, are good, but remember the actual interest rates and what's involved with that and what has to back them up. You want to also secure the necessary funding to cover your startup and operational expenses for the first 6 months to 12 months. Number 4, sourcing your coffee beans. Now, supplier relationships. Now, you want to establish a strong relationship with whoever it is that's going to be supplying your coffee beans, whether it's a wholesaler or, of course, someone abroad into another country. Reliable suppliers ensure a consistent and, of course, high-quality source of your coffee beans that align with your coffee brand and your niche. Number 5, the most important aspect of making your coffee, of course, is equipment and supplies. Now, investment in equipment. Choose the appropriate coffee equipment. Now, remember, not all equipment is the same, and depending upon what you want to do, if you're roasting your own, if you're not, if you're just simply packaging in bulk and reselling, such as grinders, you want brewers if you have them, or roasters, based on your business scale and what you're offering. You want to ensure you invest in quality equipment that can meet your production needs. Packaging and supplies, that's up next. So packaging and purchasing packaging materials like bags, coffee cups, if you're using actually brewing, if you're going to be making coffee, or if you also are going to be labeling and packaging, make sure you get the right labels with the right type of bag as well. Having the right supplies on hand is essential for presenting your product professionally and, of course, maintaining freshness. Number 6, branding and marketing. One of the most important also aspects in the top 10. Branding. Now, you want to develop a unique and memorable brand identity, including a brand name, logo, and packaging design that resonates with your target audience. Marketing strategy. Create a comprehensive marketing strategy that includes building a website, establishing a good and very strong presence online through social media platforms, and producing promotional materials like brochures or flyers. Number 7, product development. Now, recipe development. Experiment a little bit with different coffee blends and recipes to create unique and appealing flavor profiles. Innovation can set your business apart from your competitors, so you always want to look for try something new in a new blend. Quality control. You want to implement quality control processes. These are also known as QCPs. You want to definitely keep in mind to ensure consistency and taste of the product quality. Consistency is the key to building any food business, but especially a branded coffee business. Number 8, set up a home workspace. Dedicate space. Yes, you need a dedicated space. Designate a space in your home for your coffee business. This will ensure it's organized, efficient, and complies with health and safety standards, including proper storage for your coffee beans. You might want to have a home office because there's a lot of other tax benefits, by the way, to having a portion of your home dedicated to your home business. Number 9, online sales and distribution. E-commerce website is a must, of course. You want to launch a user-friendly e-commerce website to showcase your coffee products, and you want to facilitate online sales as soon as possible. Make sure it provides a seamless shopping experience for your customers. You also want to worry about or contend with order fulfillment. Set up an efficient ordering fulfillment process to handle customers' orders promptly. Choose reliable shipping options to ensure timely delivery. Last but of course not least, number 10, customer engagement and feedback. Now, customer service. Let's talk a little bit about that. Focus on exceptional customer service to build a loyal customer base. Promptly address inquiries, concerns, and provide personalized experience for your customers. Just to give you a heads up, from my own experience, if people email you or question you about orders or even questions about special type of orders or maybe custom orders, respond as soon as you can and do it professionally. That's going to ensure an experience that the customer is definitely going to come back again and again. Feedback loop. Now, this is something unique. You want to encourage customers to provide feedback on your products and services. Use this valuable information to make improvements and refine your food business, specifically your coffee. Now, engagement strategies. Consider implementing subscription services, even coffee tastings locally, or even loyalty programs to engage your audience and create repeat customers. Now, these steps will help you establish a solid foundation for your coffee business and your coffee brand. Help you increase chances of success in a competitive market like it is. You want to follow these 10 right out of the gate. So if you have any questions about your coffee business, please do let us know down below in the comments. We'll also upload this onto our podcast. You check us out on our podcast as well. We'll have links in the description section. And check us out here on our channel. We have a ton of great other information in regards to coffee businesses. I'll see you on our next video.